I feel like prophesying remembrance over someone. You have been part of the success story of many people, but you have not eaten from it. You are used. Many people today, they cannot finish saying their story without your contribution. Yet the reward has not come to you. I pray for you. May the book of remembrance be open. May the book of remembrance be open. May you be rewarded like Mordecai. May you be rewarded like Joseph, rewarded like Mordecai, rewarded like Joseph, rewarded like Mordecai, rewarded like Joseph. In the name of Jesus. Every attack on the works of your hands, you will be mistaken to imagine that everybody is clapping for you when you should be receiving an applaud. I pray for you. Anyone praying in the secret or in the open for your downfall, so they rejoice. For you to go down in ministry, in business, I pray they will not only be disappointed, they will be the victims of their plot. Oh, may the curse of Haman come upon them, that the pit they dug for you, they fall into it.